In this example, we're going to take the limit of a function as x approaches 7 from the left and the right side. So we'll see the limit as x approaches 7 from the positive side of 3x over x minus 7, and the limit as x approaches 7 from the negative side of 3x over x minus 7. And after we consider these two limits, we're going to look for a pattern and try to draw a conclusion about the graph. Well, first of all, we'll consider x approaching 7 from the positive side. Now think of 7 with a little plus as a number slightly larger than 7. So the first part, we'll try substituting this value that's just slightly larger than 7. And we get 3 times a number slightly larger than 7 over a number slightly larger than 7 minus 7. On the top, we get a number slightly larger than 21 over a number just slightly larger than 0. So a positive over a 0 positive gives us infinity. Because it's over 0, the limit's going to give us an infinitely large number, because dividing by a small number gives you a very large number. But because we have a positive number on the top and a slightly positive number on the bottom, which is almost 0, that gives us a positive infinity. Now you want to contrast that to what we see when we approach 7 from the negative side. We're going to try the same kind of trick where we're going to basically substitute a number that's slightly less than 7 for x and see what kind of result that gives us. So as we take the limit as x approaches 7 from the negative side of 3x over x minus 7, let's see what we get here. Well, substituting, we get 3 times a number slightly larger than 7 over a number slightly smaller than 7 over a number slightly smaller than 7 minus 7. That gives us a number slightly smaller than 21 over a number that's just about 0 but just slightly smaller. A number slightly smaller than 21 in the numerator is a positive number, but in the denominator our 0 tends more to the negative side. So a positive over a negative gives you a negative, but dividing by 0 gives us a negative infinity for the limit. Okay, so what does that tell us about the graph of this thing? This implies that there's a vertical asymptote at x equals 7, and we could even do a sketch of what this thing basically looks like. As we approach 7 from the negative side, the y partners are going down, 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 infinitely small. But as we approach 7 from the positive side, the y partners are jumping up to very large numbers. So this asymptote at x equals 7 has the function approaching from the left down and from the right up.